back to another video. This video, it's after my birthday, and there's this one really cool thing I got, and you probably know about it. It's all over the internet, but I got a fidget spinner, so make sure it's in there. Yep. So this is really cool. It's quite like unique from all the others. I need to make sure it's in the camera also because I'm really bad at this. I'm actually having my If you don't know, I put my computer vertically and I balance it down so the camera is facing down. And I'm not really good at looking at the screen, so I don't know what's filming. But yeah. So this thing is amazing. Like, it's unique than others since, like, if you take off the cap, most of them, like, you can remove the center, but this one, it's like stuck inside. So if you don't see there's a bunch of little beads that turn it around and stuff, and you cannot really, like, it doesn't really work like this. It's green because, well, my favorite color is green. I don't know if I told you, but it is. It's amazing. I already said that. The sides, like, they kind of move a little bit, like, but it doesn't really, you can't pop them out. This is like a non-pop out thing, but it's still really cool. Like, you feel the force whenever you spin it quickly. And I really don't know how fast it goes, but it's pretty good. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna spin it and leave it on. I'll put some music on also. I'll show you how much it spins. So as you can see, it's slowing down now. I don't really know how long it lasted since I wasn't timing it, but one time I timed it, it went for like 2 minutes or so. 2 minutes and 15.54 seconds. So it's really fun. Like, I can just do this all day, really. Um, and I also have my fidget cube somewhere. I already forgot where it is. Okay, sorry about that. It took me a while. I was looking all over the place for it. So this is my fidget cube right here. It still has the broken thing. I haven't fixed that part. I don't know if I am gonna fix it. I might. But this thing, like, I was like, before I got this fidget spinner, I usually like to do that, like, spin this, sort of like that. But then, now that I have the fidget spinner, it's just so much better. So, if my parents are watching this, thank you very much for this. You guys are the best. And I'll see you guys later. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new and you like my content. Leave a comment or reply to you guys. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.